Hello guys. Ayan. Hindi pa nakikita ni Nathan yung Christmas tree. Napapak. Kaya, paano muna namin siya? Pupunta sa taas para makita lights and Christmas tree. Ayan na guys. Hey, you're excited?
Excited si Nathan? Look, oh, look! Look, look! Look! Oh, gusto mo lang kasi dito.
Wow!
Wow!
Gulat siya.
No.
Huh?
I never like it.
Gadget? Oh, look, wow!
Wow!
Sweet!
No, Christmas.
No Christmas tree.
Look, look, look. Wow! Wow!
Hmm.
Wow!
No.
What? No! Why no?
Are you happy? You like it? Do not touch. Do not touch.
Why no?
Are you happy?
It's beautiful.
Beautiful. You like it? Do you like it?
Why no, no?
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yes. Tata and Ate Mona, I fixed this. Wow, na-amaze siya. It's amazing, right? Do you like it?
Oh, you have to picture them. Picture.
Yay! Yay! Do you like it?
Yes.
Yes. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't touch it, don't touch it.
I do not touch it, ah.
Touch lang.
Oh, come here, come here. Free to see, but not to touch.
Wow! Look, oh, look, wow! Look!
Oh dear.
Yes!
Ring, ring.
Ring,
It's beautiful, right? It's beautiful, my love.
And white and dati. May na pumandili red na lang ang pimpamutan para one color lang. One color. Ay red man ang yung balls. Ang mga prutas kay red. I like it.
Wow, you like it, my love? Yeah. Makaya.
Yes po!
Yes, look.
Yes po.
What color is that?
It's red.
Red? What? Okay, what else?
It's orange.
Orange? Oh,
Colorful.
It's a rainbow color, right?
rainbow color.
Oh, it's right here.
Oh.
It's right here.
What's that? What's that? There. What's that?
What is that? A Christmas tree. Yay! It's so high. It's so high, right?
Yes.
Up there.
And there.
Wow. You like it, my love? Yes. I like it. Wow. Maka, I like it.
Where you going? Oh, no. Come on.
Yay! Happy and baby. You're happy? Yeah, I'm happy. Yes po. Yes po.
Oh, yes po.
Are you happy?
Ano yes po?
Yes po.
Where you going?
May day lang. Magmamay day.
Where's that? No, play. Later. Tomorrow.
No more play.
Why? No time to play now.
Oh, no time to play.
Abono. Ako na, baby. What are you doing, my love? Wow. So beautiful, right, my love? You like it? Yeah, I like it.
Ayan.
Oh.
Masaya siya. So happy. You're so happy?
So
Happy. Because the Christmas is near. The Christmas time is near. We sing with joy and cheers to uplift our hearts and our spirits. Our Savior we have here to sing. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King.
Oh, look. How many colors na? Nita?
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue,
What else?
pink.
What else? What else? Huh? What else? Huh? What else?
It's a color.
Color.
It's a colorful, right? It's a rainbow color.
It's everywhere. It's everywhere.
No, it's over there.
Get it?
It's just over there.
Yes.
And it's down here. Up there. Up there.
So high.
Whoa.
Wow.
It's a big Christmas.
Kulang na la. It's a big Christmas tree, right? It's an 8 feet Christmas tree. 8 feet Christmas tree. Kulang na lang ano, music para mag-disco-disco. Do not touch. Nathan, do not touch.
Munay kanina. Masisiraon.
No.
No touch.
No more? Okay, let's go down na. It's time na.
Okay, time to go. We're done na. We're done na. Okay. It's just some baby ni Mami tampot. Ankan Mami bibi nak tampot. Here, tampot. Ankan Mami bibi nak tampot. Here, my love.
Lights that nag-iba-iba.
Come on, come on.
Okay.
Yo, it's turn off. After you go down.
Okay, off na. Okay, bye. That's it muna, guys. See you again next time. Ako si Cutie Pie, pero makulitie Pie. Bye!